Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I have a quick review. HUANO sent over this monitor mount. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. It's a swivel, clamps onto your desk. I've got this monitor that I use sometimes in like laptop reviews or different reviews where I need to actually plug something into a monitor, and it takes up a lot of space on my desk here. So I'd like to be able to put it on this mount and swing it out of the way when I don't need it. So let's go ahead and unbox what we got in here and start setting it up. We're going to be using this on a 27-inch monitor, and I'm not even going to use the instructions. It should be incredibly easy to set up. Most of these little monitor mounts are. This is going to attach to a VESA mount, so you're just going to put in the 4 screws there. This is going to be the mounting plate, and this is what's going to go underneath the desk and clamp on to your desk. So you'll be able to tighten it, and then that'll clamp onto the bottom of your desk. This is one of the best things about these mounts is that this is multiple sizes. So this will work with a super thin desk, or if you have a really thick desk, I mean, this thing will work all the way that big. So this is nice that you can use it for multiple different sizes. Okay, so that's it. We're just gonna have 2 pieces of the arm here. 2 pieces of the arm. This will go into here, and then this will go into here. And now we're basically already ready to start getting this thing going. So the first step that we want to do is to attach this piece to the stand, because this is what's going to go underneath the desk. So it should be pretty easy, guys. You just want to make sure that this is pointing towards the smaller side, and it's going to fit on here like this. You can see there's a couple little keyholes that's actually going to fit that in, and then you want to use this screw, stick that in there, and now we can go ahead and tighten this up. Make sure you get this nice and tight. It's going to be supporting your whole monitor. Okay, that's the first step finished. So this is the lip I'm going to clamp this on, and it's pretty shallow, like basically only that long, but I think this is still going to work just fine here. So I'm going to adjust this so that it's pretty close, and then I can start screwing this on. So let's do that, and I want to put this definitely closer to the back, like right here. Okay, yep, that's not going anywhere. From here, we want to go ahead and remove our old monitor mount. And we can attach this on immediately, and you can see it fits perfectly right there. And lucky for us, they did include the VESA screws right here in a couple different sizes depending on which ones you need. I think I'm only going to need the short ones here. So you can use the screwdriver they provided, or you can use a normal screwdriver. That's what I'm going to do. All right. Now the next part is super simple, and why I love their monitor stand designs. So now that this is attached, all we have to do is just set this on here. Boom. And now we have a monitor that is on a nice stand. So let's take a look at the different adjustments we can make, and then we'll look at hiding these cables, because they do also have built-in cable monitoring here. So you can go side to side with it, you can go up and down, you can also go down like that, but notice how it's springing back up. There is a way to control that pressure so that it'll stick wherever we put it. Let's do that first. So that's controlled right here, and right now we are too high, so we need to actually rotate this to the left here, and that should reduce the kind of pressure that's in there and allow us to control that however we want, so that when we set it to a height, it's going to stay at that height. Let's try that. and it's better. It still pops up slowly. You can see, still barely. So we need to go just a tad bit further here. All right, now this is perfect. So if I wanted a little lower, now it's a little lower. If I wanted a little higher, now it's a little higher. And that adjustment's nice because not all monitors weigh the same. So sometimes you need that a lot tighter if you're using a really big, heavy monitor. The nice thing about that is when I'm done with this and don't need it, I can just flip it out of the way, and then I have my whole space right here. I could also rotate it even all the way back, but for now, I think I'm just gonna leave it like right here. And then let's take a look at the cables here. So for the cables, they have these nice little cable channels built in where you can run the cables down through here and then also down through the bottom right here. Now you have to unscrew the screw in there to pop the plate off. Then you run the cables through and screw the plate back on. Same thing down here. Let me do that real quick. And just like that, my studio right here is much more professional. All the cables hidden. I can tuck this away to the side when I'm not using it, just like that. And I'm basically good to go. I can pull it all the way out here if I want to get really up close footage, and it's just floating with no cables. So I will have a link down below, guys, to the HUANO desk monitor arm. Definitely check it out if you are looking for a good monitor's arm. Real quick before you go, if you're looking for the best deals on Amazon, be sure to check out my site, moderndeals.net. I specifically built this to track the best deals every single day that are actually worth buying. You can browse categories, or you can search something specific like dash cam, and you'll see the best deals right now. Like I said, it's updated constantly, so if you want to catch the good deals before they disappear, head over to moderndeals.net.